it's Ro. Today's video is going to be hashtag Rodiculous because I'm gonna show you what is inside my huge fridge. This fridge is humongous. It's the biggest thing that I've ever seen. And this whole side is a refrigerator. And this whole side is a freezer. It's perfect for me because I'm a foodie and I'm always baking, but I did not even know they make fridges this big until I moved into this home. If you like these kind of videos, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And before we start the video, if you would like to show some support, hit subscribe and ding the bell so that you'll get notifications when new videos come out. All right, now let's open this fridge. Ta-da! Here's the inside of the fridge. I have tons of things in here because I'm very busy on the go. I love to host and have a bunch of people over, so we keep it fully stocked. On the door, there's a bunch of condiments and sauces that you can add to different meals. We've got ketchup, a classic, and we've gone all organic. I really like the brand Annie's. I also have Annie's brand for Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire? I don't know how to say it. Then some mustards. I personally love mustard, so we have the regular, yellow, and Dijon. Then for mayonnaise and ranch sauce, I really like the brand Follow Your Heart. It tastes really good, and both of these are vegan, so my sister can have these. And as you can see, we go through a lot of ranch in this house. We have a lot of ranch eaters, so this bottle is all the way down to here, but it's also way down here. I keep it fully stocked. We have more ranch on the ready in this house. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to do alarm off. No, you can never have too much hot sauce. I like to keep a lot of different brands because my friends have different preferences. This is one of my favorite hot sauces, and I think I actually mentioned this in my first fridge tour, so some things never change. This is Crystal, it's Louisiana hot sauce, and I love it. Tabasco, Ninja Squirrel, Cholula, Sriracha, hello, a classic. Gotta have this in your fridge. And my favorite salsa, based on taste alone. Up here are some soy sauce replacements. I don't eat soy sauce anymore because soy is in so much food and lotions and products that a lot of us have too much soy. So I started using these. They're liquid aminos, taste just like soy sauce. It has less sodium and it's still delicious. You can use it on like stir fries or on rice or chicken, whatever you'd like. The brand I really love is Bragg. It's an amazing brand. Aha! I could brag about it all day. Another brand that I could brag about is Coconut Secret. They also make an amino. You can pour this in with rice. Oh my gosh, I'm just thinking of a fried rice with this, with pineapple. Yes. I also have from the same brand, it's a coconut nectar, which is really sweet. It's kind of like agave. You can use it to sweeten different things like waffles, or you could put a little bit in your tea or coffee. You can even marinate things in this. I always like to keep Thai peanut sauce. This one is gluten-free and the brand is Sky Valley Organic. So yummy. Then up here, there's dairy. We've got butter and vegan butter. On the top shelf of my fridge, I've got almond milk, which I use every day for smoothies, to put in coffee or cereal. Some other dairy-free options other than almond milk are coconut milk, walnut milk, and cashew milk. We even have, by the brand So Delicious, coconut milk creamer. So this is something really yummy to put in your coffee. Then underneath the creamer is the best dairy-free cream cheese I have ever had. The brand is Kite Hill, and this is their chive-flavored cream cheese, and it is so good. You will not miss regular cream cheese if you spread this on a bagel. Don't mess with the plain one. You want the chive flavor. It is everything. Now, I have been lifting weights, but over here, these are not mine. These are actually my boyfriend's muscle milks, so I stock them here. There's vanilla and chocolate, and then there's even an extreme one, which has 31 grams of protein. Flex, flex, flex to help those muscles. Over here, we've got orange juice. I can make a mimosa on the ready, coconut water and bottled water, because I'm on the go a lot, so if I need to grab something and go, we are fully stocked at all times. Over here, we have bubbly water. I love Pellegrino. Some tea. This is an organic energy drink. My girlfriend Justine turned me onto these. What I like about them is that all the ingredients are really simple and natural. And then we have a few different flavors of LaCroix. my friends like these. I use these drawers for fruits and veggies. It's always changing, but right now I have a lot of lemons, little cute mini oranges. I love them because they're easy to eat. You can just grab them on the go and pew, pew, pew. Oh, nice little snack. And artichokes. I have been going crazy with the artichokes lately. I'm grilling them, I'm roasting them, I'm putting garlic, I'm stuffing garlic in them. This shelf has some more fresh fruits and veggies. I use this shelf a lot because I'm short, so it's like right here, it's easy for me to grab. There's carrots and hummus, so this is a really yummy snack that I like to eat in the afternoons. Some lime, little lime wedge goes really well with a glass of water, sparkling water, or your favorite Don Julio 1942. Then blueberries and spinach, which I use every day in my smoothie. This shelf is all over the place. We have some wheat bread, corn tortillas. I love the corn tortillas. I'm a big fan. Then we've got a lot of peanut butter. This is the brand that my boyfriend likes. It's a Justin's peanut butter. These are my little individual snacks. They're Greek yogurts. They do have dairy in them, and I love them because they have protein and the good fats. You just open them up, sprinkle in a little bit of oatmeal or granola with berries. Just yum, yum, yum. You can grab them on the go, and they are delicious. This is a meat drawer. I keep it at the bottom of the fridge so that if it ever leaks, it won't get on everything else in the fridge. You want to keep the meat towards the bottom of the fridge. If you eat meat, this is a brand that I love, Applegate, because they have a mission statement of humanely raised animals. And as most of you know, I don't really eat pork or beef anymore. I usually just eat poultry or salmon. Also in the meat drawer, even though this isn't real meat, these are vegan hot dogs. Growing up, my parents made us turkey dogs, and then we did tofu dogs, and then I found these, and they're so good. This is smoked apple sage, and it tastes like smoked apple sausage. Then down here I just have some extra vegetables, some lettuce and cucumber, and oh, down here I have some Kind Bars in my fridge. And no, this video is not sponsored by Kind Bar. Would I love it to be? Yes, but it isn't. Because I live in California, it's very hot here, so I like to keep some of my snacks that you'd usually keep at room temperature in the fridge, just because this has some dark chocolate covered over the almonds, and I don't want it to melt. All right, that is it for the fridge. Let's move to the freezer. These doors are actually really heavy. One of the reasons I had to start weightlifting is just so I can open my refrigerator. This fridge is fully stocked and ready for a breakup at any time. I have a bunch of girlfriends and we're all dating, so I like to keep a little bit of something for everyone. I've got ice cream pops. These are chocolate covered bananas. I found these at Trader Joe's. They are so good. So as you can see, I really like Halo ice cream, and I have a bunch of different flavors. It's hard for me to pick my favorite. I think my favorites are the ones on this shelf, the chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate covered banana, birthday cake, and oatmeal cookie. My sister really loves the acai. This is a frozen sorbet. It's all fruits and it's non-dairy and organic. It is a great replacement for ice cream. It is so good. So I would encourage you to expand your horizons. Speaking of so delicious, this is a brand that I am in love with. It is dairy-free, and I can't speak to all their flavors because I have not tried all of them. These are all dairy-free, and the 3 flavors that I really love are, oh no, here we go. Oh no, active controls. Boom! They have a mint chocolate chip, which is my favorite ice cream flavor, and it tastes so good. This one's made from cashew milk, and this one's made from almond milk. This is their cookies and cream, and it tastes better than regular cookies and cream. It is so good. My sister is not missing cookies and cream with this one. Snickerdoodle, I'm gonna destroy this tonight. These are so good. You could just, oh my gosh, I can't. So delicious. Also makes ice cream bars. So they make a mocha almond fudge bar and a coconut milk dipped ice cream bar. And then over here I have like flavored popsicles. We have a coffee one. I like the banana cinnamon, and then boyfriend likes the strawberry lemonade. This is just a cake that I'm working on, and underneath are more savory things. We have again the Applegate organic chicken strips, and this I found at Trader Joe's, a tikka masala for my sister. It's vegan vegan, a bunch of different burritos. I love burritos. And tamales. I love tamales. On the door, I have some more popsicles. These are more tropical fruit flavors. Oh, Caribbean mix, so good. All the things that I love. Pineapple, mango, coconut, all together in one with some strawberry. Yes, please. And I have some microwavable quinoa and brown rice. I got these at Trader Joe's and I absolutely love quinoa and brown rice. Yum, 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 yum. And up here, I have some dog treats for my dog Cookie. We have some chicken sliders. And these are really yummy. She likes these pumpkin treats. They're frozen yogurt dog treats with real pumpkin. And then here is just kind of a necessity. It's not really that pretty, but it is what it is. These are cool cold packs. So if you ever pull a muscle or you have an injury, these are just those cold injury like compression packs to like put on your arm or I don't know, your head or... This is the best gift ever. I can't remember who gave me this, but this is called a corksicle. So it's a cork and an icicle together, and this is for white wine. After you open the bottle, but you want to keep it cool, instead of just putting the cork inside, you put your corksicle in so that the icicle helps keep the wine cold. That's it for the door. Lastly, the drawers. The first drawer is filled with ice. Second drawer, this is not healthy, but this is my boyfriend's favorite. These are his Red Baron pizzas. They're so big they don't even fit in the tray. And then over here I have some other pizzas that I've bought that I tried to get him to eat these ones, but nope, he's a Red Baron man through and through. The last drawer has miscellaneous things in there. It's kind of a catch-all. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice from my backyard, from the lemons that came off the tree. I harvested all the lemons. I have an electric mixer and I juiced all of them and I measured them and froze them into these bags. So anytime you want to make fresh lemonade, you just pull out one of these bags, add water into the pitcher and add half a cup of sugar. You don't need to add a full cup of sugar because these are Meyer lemons. They're naturally sweeter. They're not as sour as a regular lemon. Got some veggie burgers and some stir fries. These are two of my favorite from Trader Joe's. They are so good. All right, that does it for my fridge tour. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to see. All right, thanks again. Bye-bye.